Fatima.
Hi, I'm Anis.
Hi, I'm Niza.
Hi, my name is Samuel.
Hi, I'm Shami. Hi, I'm Niza.
What is innocent misrepresentation?
I know. It is a misrepresentation which induces a party to enter into a contract by the maker of false statement who generally believes the made representation is true. There is neither the element of fraud nor negligence. The remedies for the victim of innocent misrepresentation are entitled to rescission only and also indemnity, but not the remedy of claiming damages.
I want to buy your land.
Sure, when are you free? I call my estate agent to bring you to have the visit of the land.
I'm not really free recently, but I can send my representative to be with your agent.
Hey, do you see that? This land access to main road is very rough.
Looks a good deal. Oh, I just realized that what the agent said before is untrue. I don't want to complete this sales and purchase agreement anymore.
I want to sue you. The court held that the agreement entered by the defendant had been violated by plaintiff's agent misrepresentation.
And damages should not be awarded as a consequence thereof.
Why?
Let's see.
This is the reason. The word misrepresentation did not require specific intent. It could be innocent, fraudulent, or negligence as long as it was a false pre-contractual statement that influenced a contract. In this case, the plaintiff's agent made a false pre-contractual statement which induced the defendant to enter the contract, and the defendant did not plead fraud or negligence. Therefore, the court considered this case an innocent misrepresentation.
The defendant, who had been induced by an innocent misrepresentation, can only claim for remedy of rescission and indemnity. He was not entitled to damages. This means the defendant could resign the contract and claim the deposits in the amount of 254,204 ringgit Malaysia. However, the interest on the deposit could not be claimed. This is due to the fact that paying interest would equate to damages, since it would additionally compensate the defendant for losing the ability to use his money while it was in the plaintiff's possession.
Okay, hi. First, fraudulent misrepresentation can be defined as a knowingly false assertion intended to mislead another and make them agree to a contract because of that misrepresentation. According to the case of Mohd Abdul Munir against Muhammad Nasri, there are 5 elements to establish a fraudulent misrepresentation action, namely, first, there must be a representation of facts by words or by conduct by the defendant. Second, the representation must be made with the knowledge that it is false. Third, the representation made with the intention that it should be acted upon by the plaintiff or by a class of person which included the plaintiff. Fourth, plaintiff act upon the false statement. And last one is plaintiff sustain damage by doing so.
To have a better understanding of this topic of fraudulent misrepresentation,
Let's take a look at the case of Mohd Abdul Munir against Muhammad Nasri.
hi!
Oh, hi.
Sorry, a bit late.
It's okay. Please take it.
So, I'm really interested to invest in what things that you've been telling me last week. So, can you give me some credential proof that might sound convincing to me regarding your
Okay, wait.
company?
Let me show you. This is my certificate from Harvard University. So, Joey, you can believe me to invest in my business.
This sounds convincing. Other than that?
Okay, wait. Here.
Oh, I see that. Invested. This sounds convincing. I think let's just give it a try.
Okay, let's sign an agreement. Okay, I'm so excited to hear it.
Me too. Can't wait to be rich and rich. Yes. In this case, the court held that the defendant is liable to pay to the plaintiff as the paid sum. It is on the ground of the reasons that the defendant had induced and used the false information, such as he graduated from Harvard University, and then he and also his company had signed a trading or investment agreement with RHB, which RHB Bank Berhad had already confirmed that they had never had such agreement as what had been claimed by the defendant, and this had induced the plaintiff to enter into that agreement. Thus, this case, the court held conclude that is fallen under the case of fraudulent misrepresentation.
Negligent misrepresentation. Negligent misrepresentation is a false statement made carelessly or without reasonable grounds for believing its truth, which induce another party to enter into a contract, causing them economic loss. It can be addressed under common law principle of negligent misstatement or under the Misrepresentation Act 1967, which provides statutory remedies. This is applied by the case Lim Bilan vs. Lee Juan Loong on 2021. Thank you.
So, our company, Alpha Body Tech Entity, was a valuable, profitable company, and it has been operated for a few years, which its value is very huge, like 16 million Sing dollars, like this.
Interesting. So do you have a profit or loss statement of ABT?
Haven't yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay. I think I want to invest in your company. Hey, you deceived me. You said that I will get a profit from your company, but now I need to pay for 300,000.
Hey, calm down. As a result, the court found that the defendant's liable for both negligent and fraudulent misrepresentation. The plaintiff looked for 300,000 Sing dollars minus the share market value at the agreement time was straightforward and foreseeable. Well, fraudulent misrepresentation may lead to higher damage and the plaintiff entitled to the same amount regardless of the misrepresentation time. However, the court determined that the defendants were guilty of negligent misrepresentation based on several key points. They have a duty to promote accurate information about ABT's financial situation and investment. The plaintiff relied on their claims when making her investment decisions. The defendants breached this duty by giving false or misleading information about ABT, profitable and value, which linked directly to the plaintiff's financial loss. The court confirmed a causal link between the defendant's negligence and the plaintiff's harms.